Did you know that every breath of a cigarette robs your skin of its freshness and youth? Smoking negatively affects the skin in several ways. Premature aging. Smoking destroys collagen and elastin, which are responsible for the elasticity of the skin, accelerating the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines. Dull skin. Smoking reduces blood flow to the skin, making it look dull and pale. Skin pigmentation. The chemicals in cigarettes cause dark and uneven spots on the skin. Increased sensitivity. Smoking makes the skin more susceptible to infections and allergies. Delayed wound healing. Smoking slows down the wound healing process, leaving visible traces on the skin. In short, smoking is an enemy of your skin. Quitting it is the first step to restoring your skin freshness and youth. Tips for maintaining healthy skin. Quitting smoking, the most important step to maintaining healthy skin. Skin hydration, drink enough water and use a suitable moisturizer. Protect skin from the sun, use sunscreen daily. Healthy nutrition, eat foods rich in vitamins and minerals. Adequate sleep, getting enough sleep helps to regenerate skin cells.